Unlocking the potential of iics microservices with Global Training. Welcome to a world where innovation meets expertise. iics microservices, your gateway to mastering complex systems with ease. At iics, we believe in empowering tech enthusiasts. Our microservices architecture course is designed to transform beginners into pros. Why microservices with iics? It's about breaking down the complex into the manageable, ensuring agility, and improving software scalability. Our trainers are industry veterans. They bring real-world challenges to the classroom, offering insights that textbooks simply cannot. Email us at rislglobaltraining@gmail.com. Join a community eager to demystify microservices, guided by the best in the field. Imagine creating services that are easy to test, deploy, and scale. With iics, that's not just a dream, it's your new reality. Embark on your journey today. Dive deep into microservices with iics and unlock a world of opportunities in tech innovation.